Hi friends, welcome. Last video we have already discussed about arc command. In this video we will discuss about rectangle command. You can just type here REC. It's for the rectangle, and then it will ask for a specify first corner point. So this is your area. When you click, then you can tag directly here shift at the rate. You want the 100, 200, enter. So this is your rectangle 100 by 200. You can measure. Just right click and select this one. This is 100, and again the same command, and this is 200. So it was your rectangle with 100 by 200. It means 100 your width and length 200. Next we will see again same rectangle. Okay, then same things. When you click here, it will ask for the dimension. You can also choose from here the length of the rectangle. You can give 200, enter. The width of rectangle you can give 500, enter, like this. So you can see this one, length and width. You can try. Next option we have same command, rectangle, chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness and width. You can go for the chamfer, the first chamfer distance. I want first chamfer distance 10, second I want 20. So when you click here, it will become with the chamfer. If you put the dimension, I want 100 by 100, 100, 100. So this is 100 by 100 with the chamfer, this one. Next we go for the rectangle, elevation. So it is for the elevation of rectangle 10, corner. While we are in the chamfer, that's why it's coming like this. Again we go rectangle, go for the chamfer and select it 0, 0. Again when you click here, this is like this. You can put the dimension, shift at the rate. After that you can give the length or width. Length 200, after that 300, enter. So this is your rectangle. Next you go for the rectangle, and the option is fillet. You can give for the fillet. What is the fillet radius you want? I want 20. After that just click first here, then you can give the length, or you can go direct for the dimension. Then the length of the rectangle I want 500, width of the rectangle I want 300. So this is my rectangle with the 10 fillet radius, or 300 by 500 by 300. Next option we have rectangle, thickness. So what you want to give the thickness of the rectangle? I want just 2 units. Just click anywhere, or you can give. So this is 2 units thickness. You can give the more thickness if you want. Go again for the rectangle. Okay, just make fillets 0, so it will be here. Then go for the thickness, or you want to go for the width, the line width. I want 5. Again click here, what you want, shift at the rate, and you can choose the width, length and width. I want length 500, I want width 300, enter. So this is your rectangle width with the width option. So it was all only about the rectangle. Next chapter we will learn about ellipse command. Thanks for watching. See you again. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you again. Thanks for watching.